ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जयं शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। Namaskar and welcome back to Amara Bharata channel, where we are studying the Sharada CBSE Class 9 Samskrita textbook. In that, Chaturthaha Pathaha Nakhalu Vayastejaso Hetuho. The meaning of this title is age is indeed not a criterion for brilliance, which means even young people can achieve lot of things in this world, is the meaning which is implied. At the outset, let us look at the meaning of this title, Na khalu vayas tejaso hetuho. Na khalu vayaha tejasaha hetuho. That's the split of the words. Na means not, khalu means indeed, vayaha age, tejasaha of brilliance, of radiance, hetuho cause or reason. Age is indeed not the cause of brilliance. It is not the criterion for brilliance. That is the meaning of this particular title. We look at the lesson along with an explanation in English. There's an introductory paragraph which we see now. ಭಾರತ ದೇಶಸ್ಯ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರತಾಯಾಹ ಅಮೃತ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ವರ್ಷಂ ವಯಂ ಆಚರಿತವಂತಹ. We celebrated the 75th anniversary. Sometimes it is called as the platinum anniversary, also platinum jubilee of India's independence, Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. Kim vayam janimah, do we know yat that देशाय स्वातंत्र्यं प्रदातुं कियन्तः ज्ञाताः अज्ञाताः च क्रान्तिवीराः स्वतन्त्रता यज्ञे स्वीय परिवारं स्वीय जीवनं च आहुतिरूपेण समर्पितवन्तः इति. Do we know how many known ज्ञाताः? अज्ञाताः means unknown. Krantiviraha, revolutionary heroes, sacrificed their own families. Sviya parivaram ahutirupena samarpitavantaha. Sviya jivanam ahutirupena samarpitavantaha. Sacrificed their own families and their very lives as what? As an offering in the sacrificial fire of freedom, Swatantrata Yagne, to grant independence to our country. Do we know how many are there? Is what this sentence is telling. Chhatraha, students, te sarvepi krantiviraha asmabhihi kritagnyata bhavanaya nityam vandaniyaha. All those revolutionary heroes must be daily saluted by us with a feeling of kritagnyata bhavana, means deep gratitude. खुदीरामः तेषु एव देशभक्तेषु कश्चन तेजस्वी बालक्रान्तिवीरः हुतात्मा अस्ति. Khudiram was one such radiant young revolutionary hero and martyr among those teshu deshabhakteshu, among those patriots. क्रांतिवीरस्य खुदीरामस्य जीवनवृत्तान्तः संक्षेपेण अत्र वर्णितः अस्ति. The life story of the revolutionary hero Khudiram is described here in brief. Now the lesson starts. भारतस्य स्वतंत्रता संग्रामे सशस्त्र आंदोलने बंगप्रान्तः अग्रेसरः आसीत्. बंगप्रान्तः means Bengal province. Agresara means was at the forefront of what? Sashastra Andolane, of the armed struggle in India's freedom movement. Tasmin Bangaprante Medinipura namake janapade. In that Bengal province, in the Medinipur district, Mohobani Grame, in the village of मोहोबनी नवाशीत्यधिक अष्टादश शततमे वर्षे डिसेंबर मासस्य तृतीये दिनांके खुदीरामस्य जन्म abhavat. Khudiram was born on December 3rd, 1889. Now they have given a year description here. Navashityadhika Ashtadasha Shatatame Varshe, which is 1889. How did we get this? Towards the end of this video, we will see how these year numbers are depicted, are described in words in Sanskrit Bhasha. So please stay tuned till we come to that stage in this particular video. Tasya Janakasya Nama Trailokyanatha iti. His father's name was Trailokyanatha. Jananyaha Nama Lakshmi Priya Devi cha asit. And his mother's name was Lakshmi Priya Devi. Khudiramasya Balyakale eva tasya pitarau divangatau. In Khudiram's childhood itself, his parents passed away. अतः तस्य अग्रजया अपरूपादेव्या एव खुदीरामस्य पालनं पोषणं च कृतम्. Therefore, it was by his elder sister Aparupa Devi that Khudiram's nurturing and upbringing were done. बाल्यकालतः एव Khudiramah asadharanah asit. From his childhood days itself, Khudiram was extraordinary. Now, this word is printed a little bit wrongly. It should be Sadharana Balanam Iva. Sadharana Balanam Iva Kridadishu Tasya Manaha Naramate Sma. Unlike ordinary children, his mind did not take pleasure in games and sports. Saha Deshavasishu Jayamanan Atyacharan Drishtva Vyathitaha Bhavati Sma. He used to become deeply distressed upon seeing the atrocities being committed against his fellow countrymen. We go further. These are some pictures from your book depicting the life of Khudiram. Banga Prante Krantiviranam Mahadbhihi Gupta Gati Vidhibhihi Anglaha Santrastaha Asan. In the Bengal province, the English, that is the British, were frightened, scared by what? By the intensely secret activities of the revolutionary heroes Krantiviranam Mahadbhihi Gupta Gati Vidhibhihi. भारतस्य तात्कालिकः वैसरायः कर्जनः बंगप्रान्तस्य एतत् वीरत्वं दमयितुम्. In order to suppress this heroism of the Bengal province, utsaham dhamsayitum, in order to destroy its enthusiasm, deshabhaktim mardayitum, and to crush its patriotism, cha Bangaprantasya panthadharitam vibhajanam karaniyam iti nischitavan. The then Viceroy of India, Curzon, decided that a panthadharitam vibhajanam, a religion-based partition of the Bengal province, has to be done. Panchadhika Navadasha Shatatame Varshe. In the year 1905, Tena Banga Prantaha Bhagadvaye Vibhajitaha. The Bengal province was divided into two parts by him, which are East Bengal and West Bengal. Next, we'll see what happens. Tasya etaya kritya. By this act of his, which is Curzon's, न केवलं बंगप्रान्ते अपि तु सर्वस्मिन् देशे जनान्दोलनं प्रवृत्तम्. A public agitation, Janandolanam, broke out, started not only in the Bengal province, but also Sarvasmin Deshe, across the entire country. Banga Bhanga Andolanam iti tasya Janandolanasya nama. The name of that public agitation was Banga Bhanga Andolana movement, partition of Bengal movement. Yadyapi Khudiramah tasmin samaye Kevalam Panchadashavarshiyaha. Although Khudiram was only 15 years old at that time, Tathapi Deshabhaktehe Bhavanaya Saha Prerita San, being inspired by the feeling of patriotism, Janandolane Kurditaha, he jumped into the public agitation. आङ्ग्लानां पारतन्त्र्य शृङ्खलातः वन्दनीय भारतमातुः मोचनं करणीयम् इत्येव सङ्कल्पः आसीत्. सङ्कल्पः आसीत् means his only goal, iti eva, his only goal or resolution was that Vandaniya Bharata Matuhu Mochanam, that the venerable Bharata Mata, which is Mother India, must be released or liberated from where? Anglanam Paratantriya Shrinkhalatah, from the chains of British servitude. अतः सः नवमी कक्षाम् अपि पूर्णं कर्तुं न शक्तवान्. Therefore, he could not even complete his 9th standard. यतोहि because देशभक्तानां जीवनं राष्ट्राय समर्पितं भवति. Because the lives of patriots are dedicated to the nation. Further, we'll see what happens. These are some more pictures from the same textbook. Balanam Sanghatanam Krutva, organizing the children, Saha Padayatram Ayojayati Sma. He used to arrange foot marches or Padayatras. Tasyam Yatrayam. In those marches, Deshabhakti Yutani Gitani Vande Mataram Cha Ityadayah Goshanaha Bhavanti Sma. Patriotic songs were sung and proclamations like Vande Mataram were chanted. Saha Padayatra Madhyamena. Through these foot marches or through the medium of these foot marches, Loka Jagarana Vishayakani Patrakani Janeshu Vitartisma. He used to distribute pamphlets bringing about public awareness among the people. Kadachit Khudiramaha. Once what happened? Khudiramaha Patraka Vitarana Samaye. When he was distributing the pamphlets, Anglanam Hastagataha Jataha. Khudiram fell into the hands of the British. He was captured. Kintu Samarthya Sampannaha Khudiramaha. However, the strong and capable Khudiram Anglanam Tadanam Krutva, having hit the British, Tataha Nirgachat, left from there. Next we'll see Banga Prante Kranti Viraihi Sanchalitani Bahuni Gupta Mandalani Anglanam Manasi Atankam Janayantisma. Many secret societies, Gupta Mandalani, run by the revolutionary heroes, Kranti Viraihi Sanchalitani, in the Bengal province, Banga Prante. What did they do? They used to strike fear in the minds of the British. कस्यचित् गुप्तमण्डलस्य सञ्चालकः आसीत् सत्येन्द्रनाथः. Satyendranatha was the convener of one such secret society. Khudiramah Swamitrena Prafullena Saha. Khudiram, along with his friend Prafulla, Gatva, having gone there, Satyendranathena Amilat, met Satyendranath. Satyendranatha Upadishat. Satyendranatha advised them, Krantikaryam Kartum Shariram Vajra Sadrisham Dridham. To perform revolutionary work, the body must be as strong as a diamond. Buddhihi Asidhara Iva Tikshna. The intellect must be as sharp as a sword's edge. Manaha Ganga Jalam Iva Nirmalam Cha Bhavediti. And the mind must be as pure, clear as the water of the Ganga. This advice is very much applicable to us also. As students, we should have our body as fit and strong as a diamond, our intellect as sharp as a sword's edge, and our mind as pure as the water of the Ganga. Next, we'll go further. Tasmat Gupta Prashikshana Kendrat Dvabhyam Ashtamasatmakam Prashikshanam Praptam. From that secret training center, both of them received an 8-month-long training. Bhushundi Sanchalane api tau Achirad eva pravenau sanjatau. They also became proficient in Bhushundi means firearms, operating firearms or guns, Achiradeva, in a very short time. राणा प्रतापस्य चरित्रेण प्रेरितः खुदीरामः प्रतिज्ञातवान् यत् inspired by the life story of Rana Pratap, Khudiram took a vow as यावत् भारतम् आङ्ग्लशासनात् मुक्तं न भविष्यति तावत् पादत्राणं न धरिष्यामि इति. As long as India is not liberated from the British rule, I will not wear padatranam, means a footwear. I will not wear slippers. I will go barefoot. That's what Khudiram took a vow. कलकत्ता जनपदस्य मुख्यः न्यायिकः आङ्ग्लः अधिकारी. The chief judicial British officer of Calcutta district, Kingsford, a person by name Kingsford, भारतीय देशभक्तान् अतीव कठोररीत्या दण्डयति स्म, used to punish Indian patriots in an extremely harsh manner. निर्दयः सः, ruthless or merciless as he was, सः बालान् अपि न त्यजति स्म. He did not spare even children. तस्य स्थानान्तरणं यदा मुजफ्फरनगरे जातम्, when he was transferred to Muzaffarnagar, तदा सः हन्तव्यः इति सशस्त्रक्रान्तिवीरमण्डलेन निश्चितम्. It was decided by the armed revolutionary group Sashastra Krantivira Mandala that Saha Hantavyah, he must be killed. Hatya Yojanayaha Sampurnam Uttaradaitvam Prafulla Khudiramabhyam Swikritam. The complete responsibility for the plan of killing was accepted by Prafulla and Khudirama. Tasya vadhasya sukshma yojana api dvabhyam nirmita. A meticulous or a detailed plan for his slaying was also prepared by both of them. Then what happens? We'll see some more pictures. Ashtadhika Navadasha Shatatama Varshasya April Masasya Ashtavimshe Dinanke. On 28th of April 1908, Kingsford Ityasya Ratha Visheshe Prafulla Khudiramabhyam Visphotakam Prakshiptam. An explosive was thrown by Prafulla and Khudiram onto the special carriage of Kingsford. Mahan Vispotadhvani Jatah. A massive explosion sound was occurred. Next, what happened? Agnijwalaha Akasham Asprishan. The flames of fire touched the sky, means they rose high up. Kingsford Hataha Asmakam Uttaradaitvam Purnam iti Kritartha Bhavanaya Tau Palaitavantau. With a sense of fulfillment that Kingsford Hataha, Kingsford is killed. Asmakam Uttaradaitvam Purnam, our responsibility is complete. They both fled. Palaitavantau. Kintu Hadik. But oh, alas, what a pity. Yadyapi saha Kingsford Mahodayasya Rathaha Asit, although that was Kingsford's carriage, tathapi, even then, tasmin saha na asit eva. He was not in that carriage. Kennedy namakasya adhikarinah patni putri cha tatra astam. The wife and daughter of an official named Kennedy were in that carriage. Te mrite, they both died. Kinto Kingsford rakshitaha, but Kingsford was saved. Aratri dvau api krantivirau adhavatam. Both the revolutionary heroes Prafulla and Khudiram ran throughout the night. Kintu daurbhagyavashat anglaha arakshakaha tau agrinnan. But unfortunately, the British police captured them. Next, what happened? We'll see. Veera Prafullena Anglanam Virodhe Kritaha Pratikara Yatnaha Vyarthaha Abhut. The retaliatory effort made by the brave Prafulla against the British went in vain, did not succeed. Ananya Katikaha Prafullaha. Left with no other alternative, Prafulla Bharata Mataram Manasa Pranamya, having bowed down to Mother India in his mind, Vande Mataram Udghoshya, and loudly proclaiming Vande Mataram, Swavakshasthale Bhushundya Golika Praharam Kritavan, shot himself in the chest with a Bhushundya, with a gun. Veerabalaha Prafullaha Hautatmyena Amaraha Jataha. The brave boy Prafulla became immortal through martyrdom. Then what happens? Anglaihi Grihitaha Khudiramaha. Captured by the British, Khudiram Nyayalayam Nitaha was taken to the court. Tatra Adhi Vaktrinam Pratyekam Prashnasya Khudiramasya Nishchitam Uttaram Asit. There, to every single question asked by the lawyers, the opposing lawyers, Khudiram's firm and unwavering answer was Yet Vande Mataram iti, was Vande Mataram. Whatever questions the lawyer asked, he used to only reply Vande Mataram. न्यायाधीशेन निर्दयतया बालाय खुदीरामाय मृत्युदण्डः उद्घोषितः उद्बन्धनम् इति. The judge ruthlessly, mercilessly announced the death sentence to the young boy Khudiram, which is execution by hanging. राष्ट्रभक्तस्य खुदीरामस्य मुखे भयं दुःखं वा नासीत्. There was neither fear nor sorrow on the face of the patriot Khudirama. Pratyuta, on the contrary, prasannata, there was cheerfulness, shantihi, peace, triptihi, contentment, tejaha cha asid, and there was radiance. Tadrishtva nyayadhishaha anglaha adhikarinas-chapi chakitaha. Seeing that, the judge and the British officials were astonished. Ashtadhika Navadasha Shatatamasya Varshasya Agastamaasasya Ekadashe Dinanke. On the 11th of August 1908, Balye Vayasi Eva, at a very young age itself, Deshasya Swatantriyartham, for the freedom of our country, Khudiramaha Hutatma Jataha. Khudiram became a martyr. Priya Bharata Matuhu Darshanartham, to see his beloved motherland, India, Bharata Mata, Saha Hasan, smilingly, Vande Mataram iti Japan, chanting Vande Mataram, Anandena Divangataha. He happily departed. This is the moving story of Khudiram, the great freedom fighter of our country. Now, Sarvam Shabdena Bhasate. Let us look at the difficult words here. Adhivaktrinam means of advocates or lawyers. Asadharanaha, extraordinary. Acharitavantaha, absurd. Atankam is fear. Next, Andolanam is revolution. Udbandhanam is execution. Kadachit, once. Chakitaha, amazed. Divam, to heaven. Nirdayaha, merciless, ruthless. Pratikara yatnaha, attempt at retaliation. Bhushundi is gun. Next, Yathitaha, worried. Vispotakam is explosive. Santrastaha, frightened. Now, as I told you at the beginning, we need to learn about years. How do we write years in Sanskrita? In this lesson, we have come across the numbers 1889, which was the birth year of Khudiram, 1905, which was the year of partition of Bengal, and 1908, where Khudiram was executed, was hanged. Let us learn how to state these numbers in Sanskrita. First, we need to know the numbers from 1 to 100. 100 is Shatam, 1000 is Sahasram. Then we have to use one of the words Uttara or Adhikam. We look at some examples. Krishtabdam means AD. About numbers in Sanskrita, Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha, Ekadasha, Dvadasha, Trayodasha, Chaturdasha, Panchadasha, Shodasha, Saptadasha, Ashtadasha, Navadasha, Vimshatihi. Ekavimshatihi, Dvavimshatihi, Trayovinshatihi, चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत् एकत्रिंशत् द्वात्रिंशत् त्रयस्त्रिंशत् चतुस्त्रिंशत् पञ्चत्रिंशत् षट्त्रिंशत् सप्तत्रिंशत् अष्टात्रिंशत् नवत्रिंशत् चत्वारिंशत् एकचत्वारिंशत् द्विचत्वारिंशत् त्रिचत्वारिंशत् चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् पञ्चचत्वारिंशत् षट्चत्वारिंशत् सप्तचत्वारिंशत् अष्टचत्वारिंशत् नवचत्वारिंशत् पञ्चाशत् एकपञ्चाशत् द्विपञ्चाशत् त्रिपञ्चाशत् चतुष्पञ्चाशत् पञ्चपञ्चाशत् षट्पञ्चाशत् सप्तपञ्चाशत् अष्टपञ्चाशत् नवपञ्चाशत् षष्टिः एकषष्टिः द्विषष्टिः त्रिषष्टिः चतुष्षष्टिः पञ्चषष्टिः षट्षष्टिः सप्तषष्टिः अष्टषष्टिः नवषष्टिः सप्ततिः एकसप्ततिः द्विसप्ततिः त्रिसप्ततिः चतुस्सप्ततिः पञ्चसप्ततिः षट्सप्ततिः सप्तसप्ततिः अष्टसप्ततिः नवसप्ततिः अशीतिः एकाशीतिः द्व्यशीतिः त्र्यशीतिः चतुरशीतिः पञ्चाशीतिः षडशीतिः सप्ताशीतिः अष्टाशीतिः नवाशीतिः नवतिः एकनवतिः द्विनवतिः त्रिनवतिः चतुर्नवतिः पञ्चनवतिः षण्णवतिः सप्तनवतिः अष्टनवतिः नवनवतिः शतम्. Now there are some alternatives. 19 is also एकोनविंशतिः. 29 is also एकोनत्रिंशत्. 39 एकोनचत्वारिंशत्. 49 एकोनपञ्चाशत्. 59 एकोनषष्टिः. 69 एकोनसप्ततिः. 79 एकोनअशीतिः. एकोनाशीतिः. 89 एकोननवतिः. 99 एकोनशतम्. एक ऊन is ekona. 1 less than 20 is 19. 20 is vimshati. 1 less than 20 is 19. Similarly for all of the others. Now we shall consider the year 1889. We write as 1889 with a gap here. 89 is navashitihi from what we just saw. 18 is ashtadasha. 1800 is ashtadasha shatam. Ashtadasha shatam. 1889 is navashiti adhika ashtadasha shatam, which means 1800 plus 89. 89 on top of 1800, which is navashityadhika ashtadasha shatam. That is what is told in your textbook. One more year, 1905, the year of partition of Bengal. 5 is pancha, 19 is navadasha, 1900 is navadasha shatam, or shown here. 1905 is 5 on top of 1900, which is pancha adhika navadasha shatam. Panchadhika navadasha shatam. That is the year 1905. Let us look at the year 2026. 2026. 26 is Shadvimshatihi. 20 is Vimshatihi. 2000 is Vimshati Shatam. Vimshati Shatam. Or we can write it as Dvisahasram because it is 2000. 2026 is Shadvimshati Adhika Dvisahasram, which is 26 on top of 2000, which is Shadvimshatyadhika Dvisahasram. That is 2026. Now I have also given you the different years here, 2021 to 2030. For example, 2022 is Dvavimshatyuttara Dvisahasratamam Varsham. We can also say Dvavimshatyadhika Dvisahasratamam Varsham. Like that for all the other years. Now a small task for you. Write your year of birth and your favorite year. Maybe the year your house was built, or the birth dates of your parents or your brother or sister, your favorite year, your favorite number in the comment section below in Sanskrit language based on whatever we just learned about the numbers. Before we close, I also want to tell you about these Rashtrottana books. Sahityabooks.com. At this website you can purchase each of these books, about a lot of books about our freedom fighters, about great people of our country, Bharata Mata, and each of these books costs only 15 rupees. So you can order a set of books to your home from this Sahitya Books website. And here is a screenshot of some of the books available. You can actually go through that website and select whatever book you need and order them right to your house. I also want to mention to you that there's a place called Vidurashvatta in my state of Karnataka, which is called as the Jallianwala Bagh of southern India. You may all know that in Jallianwala Bagh, around 700 people were martyred in the year 1919 when a person by name Dyer opened fire on a peaceful gathering of people. This Vidurashvatta Hatyakanda or the Jallianwala Bagh incident kind of thing in South India happened in the year 1938, where a group of freedom fighters were all assembled together in a peaceful way near the Ashwatha tree, and 35 freedom fighters were martyred when police opened fire on top of them. So we should all realize that we may know only very few names of freedom fighters who they say have got us freedom, but there are hundreds, no, I would say thousands of people who are unnamed, just like Khudiram Bose, whom we just saw now, who have sacrificed without expecting any return at all. So we should mentally salute all of those thousands of freedom fighters, a lot of them who have experienced jail term, a lot of them who have sacrificed their lives, many of them who have experienced terms in jail under ruthless kind of conditions for all the freedom that we are enjoying, experiencing at this present time in our land, Bharata Mata, today. Here is an AI generated image of Khudiram Bose. This brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video with the exercise part of this very lesson. YouTube Amara Bharata Shubham Bhuyat Mangalamastu Vande Mataram Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.